limited edition chicken pot pie.
Something different. Hope you guys like it. It's healthy for people. It cooks at 3 minutes. Hope you enjoy it. Well, you see it all nice and cooked up. We're going to give our review, tasting it, how the texture is. Nice and flaky crust. Tastes like a chicken pot pie.
Yes, it does.
Taste the chicken. Nice sauce. Very delightful. What grade you give it?
91.
Not bad. I'll give it a 90. It's got the taste. It tastes like a pot pie. I'd definitely buy it again. What about you?
Yes, I would love to buy it again.
So don't forget to subscribe and enjoy your journey.